Today I'm going to show you how I got these headlights to look like new without any tools. That's correct, you heard right. Now I bought this Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit at Walmart for less than $20, and it already includes everything you need. You don't need any additional tools as it already includes 6 oxidation removing wipes, which is step 1, sanding kit with 2000 and 3000 grit paper, which is step 2, 2 ceramic coating wipes, and finally some gloves. I would still recommend you wear some safety glasses though, as you wouldn't want any chemicals landing on your eyes. The first step is to clean the surface of your headlights with a clean cloth and some water. This kit recommends that you use some soap as well, but in my case, I just used water and a clean cloth. I washed it thoroughly to make sure to remove any dirt, bugs, and any other residue that would be sticking into the headlights. Once we're done with the cleaning, we can start with step 1, which is to apply the oxidation removing wipes to the headlights. An extra step I added to the process was to put some tape around the headlights. Because these are some strong chemicals you're applying. You just don't know if it can damage your paint if it lands on it. So as a precaution, I added some tape. You make sure to apply the oxidation compound all over the headlight surface. As you can see from looking at the wipes, the oxidation is coming off. Now, oxidation happens primarily due to the prolonged exposure to ultraviolet light from the sun, which breaks down the plastic headlights, which causes them to yellow and to cloud up. So we repeat the process a second time, and if you find it necessary, you can do it a third time since you have 3 wipes for each headlight. After applying 2 wipes of the oxidation remover, I move on to step 2, which is to sand down the lights. First, you begin with the 2000 grit sandpaper. You make sure to go around the entire headlight. Once you finish with the 2000 grit, you jump to the green pad, which is a 3000 grit sandpaper, and you repeat the process. You want to make sure to get over the entire headlight, and you want to avoid doing circles. I try to follow a horizontal path to make sure I don't end up with some visible swirls. So here's where the tape also comes in handy to protect your paint. The last thing you want is to ruin your paint because you ended up sanding off some of it. So again, if you can, go ahead and apply some tape. Once you finish sanding down the lights, you can now clean the headlights and start to prepare the area for step 3, which is to apply the ceramic coating. I make sure to clean the headlights very well. I clean them 3 times with some clean water and a clean cloth. I let them dry up and then I do a second and third clean just to make sure they're clean. Now you don't have to clean it 3 times like I did, but I just did it as a precaution. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So cleaning it a few extra times won't hurt at all. Once the headlights dry up, I can begin with step 3, which is applying the ceramic coating. In this step, you also want to make sure to get all the edges and hard to reach areas. And then you follow up with a horizontal application. Again, this is to make sure you don't have any visible swirls. Now for this last step, you do get a second pair of gloves, so make sure to use those. Now I'm actually surprised at how good this kit worked. I've tried some other kits before, but they didn't work as good as this. So I definitely recommend this one right here. And again, I got this one at my local Walmart. Now if you've used this kit before, let me know in the comments section. Did you like it? Did you get the same good results? What did you think of it? And after you're done applying the ceramic coating, you are done with the restoration of your lights. Now they recommend that you wait for 60 minutes, I believe, before you expose your lights to the elements. And with that, we conclude the restoration. Super simple. Just as long as you follow the directions, this will work every single time. And you can see how the second light turned out as well in a moment. With this, we conclude today's project. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content to come. Thank you for your time. Have yourself a great day.